Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
How are you, ma'am?
Good morning, ma'am. How are you, ma'am? How are you, ma'am?
Good morning,
How are you,
everyone.
ma'am?
Good morning. Okay. Good morning. I'm fine. Thank you. Yes.
How
Good
are
morning. Good morning.
How are you, ma'am?
I'm fine. Thank you.
Ma'am, today you are very beautiful.
How are you,
Thank you.
ma'am?
I'm fine. Thank you. Okay. So last week we finished the chapter. What is the name of the chapter?
Pied Piper of Hamelin.
Pied Piper of Hamelin. Yes. And we
Piper of
also
Hamelin.
yes. We also did the question answers, the textbook exercises, and the workbook exercises. Okay, so with that,
Yes.
we finished one poem that is Oh Nani, Tell Me a Tale, and
Yes.
the Pied Piper of
Piper
Hamelin.
of Hamelin.
Okay, now today we will start a new chapter.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so we will
Okay,
start a new chapter today. Before we begin, let me ask a few questions. Nora.
Yes, ma'am.
Nora, do you like going to the park?
Yes.
I think everybody likes going to the park, right?
Yes.
Yes.
What do you like the most in the park?
I like swinging.
You like
Ma'am, I
swinging.
also swinging.
Everybody likes swinging. Anybody likes the slide?
I like swinging.
Yes.
Yes. What about the seesaw?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. What are the different things you find in a park? What are the different things you find to play in a park? One is a swing. You have a slide. Then seesaw. Yes.
Seesaw.
Slide.
Then
Yes, Janita, can you tell me? You have swing, you have slide, you have seesaw. What else?
Bench.
Huh?
Bench.
Bench. No, I'm asking to play.
Skating.
Huh? Painting.
painting. No.
What is painting?
Skating.
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 You have
Yes.
skating in a park?
No. I'm joking.
Jogging. That is some. I'm asking to play. What are the things you have to play in a
Play.
park? Like the slide, swing. Then what did I say? Slide, swing, seesaw. Anything else? Have you noticed? Have you noticed? Huh? Gym. Okay, you have a play gym. Yes. What else?
Yes.
Have you seen a merry-go-round?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So these are the different things you find in a park. Okay. And
Yes.
I think almost all children like going to the park.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Why is it that we like going to the park?
We don't have
There
ball.
is so playing
We very so playing and so fun.
Because you can play, but you can also play at home. Why do you have to go to the park?
So fun.
There are really.
Do you have a swing and a slide or a merry-go-round at home?
No.
No. So obviously, if you want to play all these things, you have to go to the park, right?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. What do you
Yes.
enjoy the most in the park? The swing, the
Yes.
slide, or the merry-go-round, or seesaw?
Merry-go-round. Mommy has swing.
Merry-go-round. I know. Swing will be there in most of the houses, right? You have different kinds of swings. In the parks, you can see metal swings or plastic swings. Then there are wooden swings. At home,
Yes.
some people tie rope and a wooden plant. Yes?
Seesaw.
Yes. And also some people, what they do is
I
on a
like
rope.
seesaw.
Yes. On a rope, they tie a tire. Have you seen? The tire of a car. And you sit on it and swing. Have you seen that?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So those, okay.
Yes.
So you have different types of swings. And today our chapter is called The Swing.
Yes.
It is a poem by Robert
The
Louis
Swing.
Stevenson, and it is called The Swing.
Swing.
Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
And if you
The
remember,
page number.
our poem, the cow, was by the same poet, Robert Louis Stevenson. Okay, it is the same person who has written this poem. Niharika, can you please mute your audio and sit in one place?
Okay, ma'am.
It is written by the same person. It is called The Swing, page number 24, lesson 12.
24. Ma'am, take
Yes.
the
Okay.
swing, lesson 12.
It is a very small poem. If you see, just 3 paragraphs you
Yes.
have. Just 3 small
Yes,
paragraphs.
3
A very
paragraphs.
self-explanatory poem. That is, which you, when you read itself, you can understand what it means. Yes. Page number 24. Okay, it is a very short self-explanatory poem. It will not take us much time to understand this poem. So we shall begin. Okay. The Swing by Robert Louis
Yes.
Stevenson. How do you like to go up in a swing? Up in the air so blue. Oh, I do think it the pleasantest thing ever a child can do. Okay, so the poet is asking us, how do you like to go up in a swing? How does it feel when you are swinging? How does it feel?
Happy.
You feel very happy.
Happy.
Yes. Yes.
Happy.
Yes.
Yes.
Why do you feel happy? What is it?
So blue.
Flying in the air.
Yes, you feel like you are flying in the air. Yes, very good. So it makes us very happy. So the swinging motion makes us very happy. So the poet is asking, how do you like when you go up in the air? How do you like when you can see the blue sky, when you're going up in the blue sky?
Yes.
And the poet is saying, I think it is the pleasantest thing that a child can ever do. It means it is one of the happiest thing, one of the things that will make you very satisfied, which will make you very satisfied. It is one of the best things that a child can ever do. You feel like you are flying in the air, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Right.
How do you like to go up in a swing, up in the air so blue? Oh, I do think it's the pleasantest thing ever a child can do. Up in the air and over the wall, till I can see so wide. River and trees and cattle and all, over the countryside. The poet is saying, when I go up in the air and over the wall, when you are swinging, sometimes you go above the wall, right? You go so high that you
Yes.
go above the wall, and you can see what is on the other side of the wall. The poet is saying,
Yeah,
I can see
roof.
river and trees and cattle. Sometimes when I'm inside my house, I cannot see what is on the other side of the wall. But when I
Yes.
go up in the swing, I can see the river, the trees, the cattle grazing on the other side of the wall. I can see over the countryside. What is a countryside? Do you know?
Doing
No.
A countryside is away from a town or city. It is not very noisy. It is very peaceful, very very village-like type. Okay, with a lot of
Yes.
greenery and a lot of peacefulness. So it is away from the
Yes.
town or the city. So much have you understood? It is not very difficult to understand. It is a
Yes.
very simple, very
Yes.
self-explanatory poem. There is not
Simple.
much for me to explain in this. Have you understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Aryan, can you read the first paragraph?
you like to go up in the swinging?
Aryan, bring the book towards the camera. I cannot see you reading.
Who do you like
Hmm.
to go up in a swinging?
Is it swinging? Is the word swinging?
Swing,
Hmm.
swing up in the air.
Hmm.
Who so blue, so blue.
Hmm.
Who I how I do think it
Hmm.
the
Hmm. Pleasantest.
pleasantest
Uh,
thing
uh. Ever a child can do. What is it, Aryan?
ever child
Okay. Nora, can you read the first paragraph?
Ma'am, next Janita can read.
Yes, please.
How do you like to go up in a swing? Up in the air so blue.
Hmm.
Oh, I do think it's the
Hmm. Pleasantest.
pleasantest thing a child
Ever a
can
child
do.
can do.
Ever a child can do.
Yes. Next paragraph.
Up in the air and over the wall.
Hmm.
Till I
Hmm.
can see
Hmm.
so wide
Hmm.
river and trees and
Cattle.
cattle and all the over the countryside.
And all over the countryside. Yes, Janita.
Ma'am,
Hmm.
how do you
Niharika, mute your audio.
how do you like to go up in swing? Up in the air so blue.
Hmm.
How I do think it the pleasantest
Hmm.
thing
Hmm.
every a child can do.
Hmm.
Up in the air and
And
the
over the
wall.
wall.
All over the wall
Hmm.
till I can see so wide
Hmm.
river and trees and cattle
And all.
cattle and all
Hmm.
over and
Over the
countryside
countryside.
over the countryside.
Yes, Serafina. Serafina?
How do you like to go up in a
Hmm.
tree? Up in the air so blue.
Hmm.
Oh, I do in the pleasant in thing ever a child can do. Up in the air and on the wall. Till I can see so wild river and trees and cattle and all over the Countries.
Countryside. Yes, Heaven.
Ma'am,
Hmm.
how do you like to go up in a tree, swimming up in the air so blue? Ma'am,
Read.
on I do.
I do. I do think.
Then it
Uh, uh,
it the
pleasantest.
pleasantest
Uh,
thing
uh, a
every
child can.
child can do.
Uh,
Up in the air and
over the wall.
over the world
Till I can see.
till I can see
So
so
wide.
so wide.
River and trees.
River and trees and
Uh, cattle and all.
cattle and all. The
Over the countryside.
over the countryside.
Anamika.
How do you like to go up? Go up in the swing, up in the air so blue. Oh, I do think in it the pleasantest thing ever a child can do. Up in the air and over the wall, till I can see so wide. River and trees and cattle and all over the countryside.
Yes. Okay. Rex.
How do you like to go up in the swing? Up in the air so blue. Oh, I do think it's the pleasantest thing every child can do. Up in the air and over the wall. Till I can
see.
I can see so wide. River and tree and hill and all over the countryside.
Okay. Parvana.
Yes, ma'am.
Read.
How do you like to go up in a swing? Up in the air so blue. How I do think the pleasant thing ever a child can do.
Okay.
Up in the
Niharika. Second paragraph.
Up in the air and over the world, till I can see so wide. River and trees and cattle and all over the countryside.
Okay. Pranav.
Thank you, ma'am.
Pranav. Where is Pranav? Pranav, tell me the rhyming words in the first paragraph.
Swing, swing.
Swing thing,
Blue,
yes. Then.
blue, do. Blue, do.
Blue do, yes. Okay. Dia, can you tell me the rhyming words in the second paragraph?
Okay, ma'am.
Hmm.
Wide countryside.
Wide countryside, yes. Then.
Brown dawn.
No.
Down.
No. Second paragraph, Dia. Wide and countryside is correct. Then what else? Yes, Nora? Wall all. Yes. Okay. So you have two sets of rhyming words in the first paragraph and two sets in the second paragraph. So far, these two paragraphs, have you all understood? Anything more that I need to explain?
No.
Okay. So shall we write the meanings?
Yes.
Yes. You can write it down in your textbook itself where there is place given.
Okay.
Okay, so you have two, broad and broad. Sorry, it is the word is wide, right? Sorry, I wrote it the other way around. It is wide, which is broad. Okay. So you have wide, which means broad, and cattle, which is cows and bulls kept on a farm. Okay, and the rhyming words, you don't have to write it down, just underline it in your textbook. Rhyming words, you can just underline it in your textbook, need not write it down. Swing thing. Blue do. This is first paragraph. These two are in the first paragraph. And in the second paragraph, you have wall, all, and wide countryside. Wide, broad, cattle, cows, and bull kept on a farm. And the rhyming words, swing thing, blue do, wall all, wide countryside.
I'm finished.
Let everybody finish. Has everybody finished?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, right. I'll give you 2 minutes more.
Suhan. Ma'am.
Hmm?
I'm finished.
Yes, I'm waiting for the others also.
Okay, ma'am. I'm finished.
Finish.
Has everybody finished? Anybody still
I'm
writing?
finished. No,
Okay.
ma'am. No.
Yes. Okay. So we just have one small paragraph left in this poem. Okay. So somebody said they have a swing at home. Who is that? Who said who they have a swing at home? Niharika. Anybody else? Agnes, Janita. Okay. Parvana also. So those of you who have a swing at home, I'm going to give you a small activity. Okay? In the evening, sit on the swing, swing as high as you can, and tell me what all you can see when you are going up in the air. Tomorrow's class, you have to share with us what all you saw. Okay?
Ma'am, I swing.
Okay, whoever has a swing, this activity is for y'all. Today evening, please swing and go high. Don't just swing at the ground level. Go high, go as high as you can, and note down all that you can see. And tomorrow in the class, you have to share with us. Is it clear?
Okay, ma'am. Yes.
Okay, so shall I wind up today's
Okay,
class?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye-bye.
Bye.